How to use FIRE technique to change another person's behavior. The FIRE technique is a powerful way to influence other people's behavior. FIRE stands for facts, impact, respect, and expectation. You can even use this FIRE technique even before you decide to fire someone at work. There are times when you like a person, but you can't stand some of their behaviors or habits. You want to convey this, but then you don't want to hurt them. You are not hating the sinner here, but really helping them not to commit this sin again. In the FIRE process, at first you intervene by stating the facts. Facts are an introduction of the behavior that needs to be changed. For example, you have an employee who always comes late. You state the fact that they are not punctual, and that's an annoying behavior. After the facts are presented, then you state its impact or the implication of their behavior. You tell the employee that because you are not punctual, your work gets piled up, and you are also setting a bad example to others. Here, you will state the impact saying, the problem is, when you come late, not only is your work piling up, eventually it is affecting the team performance as the responsibilities are interconnected, and thus it is bringing down the morale of people who are on time. All this is purely because of the behavior you are exhibiting. This will help them to identify the impacts their behavior has on others. The next step is respect. Here, you respect the individual, knowing that given the best circumstances, they might be doing the best they can, but with deliberate efforts, they can also change it. You may say, I respect you and your efforts. You are under tremendous pressure and I can see that. But after the but, you fill in the expectation, which is the final step. Expectation is the request to change. You will begin by saying, I request that you will put extra efforts to be on time, and surely we can find some solutions to make that happen. Bring your concerns directly to me so that we can sort out without affecting the team. FIRE technique helps you evaluate and change others' behavior in an amicable way. So next time you want to see something change, try the facts, impact, respect, and expectation technique. If you are aware of any techniques that will help to change individual behavior, please feel free to share in comments or write to us. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe.